Hello everybody, Elliot here, and today we got another unboxing, and it's from none other than the man himself, Remzap, from Remzap Studios. I've been waiting for this one for quite some time, a few years to be exact. No fault of his or anything, but he's been going through such a rough time in his life, from church, his cat passing away, and his storage unit getting broken into, and a bunch of masks getting stolen, and all that stuff, and having a bunch of health issues and stuff. I've been saying no rush, just do what you have to do. And I had another mask from Trick or Treat Studios sent to him. I just replaced it outright, because in the beginning when he was doing these Ensbury hauls, spoiler alert, this is an ends mask unboxing. Whenever he was doing these ends mask rehauls, I had put in a pre-order with him, and he was going to take care of buying the mask and everything. And whenever the storage unit that he stored all the masks and stuff in got broken into, mine was one of them. Got another one from Trick or Treat Studios and had it sent over to him. He got it taken care of, and it's finally here. This unboxing will probably be a quick one, because I'm super stoked about it, because I've been waiting for so long, and I'm so ready to see this thing in person. This will complete the trilogy that I have. I have an H40 done by Remzap. I have a Halloween Kills, which is behind the camera on my mannequin, done by Remzap as well. And then I'll have the ends to complete the trio, completed by Remzap. So, without further ado, you can tell these are unscripted. But without further delay, let's break this bad boy open and see what we got. And of course, I got my trusty case knife that I use with all my unboxings. And we got the box. So let's see what is inside. A lot smoother than my other ones. All right. Here's the bag. Looks like there's a couple of goodies down in here. Let's see what we got. Ooh, stickers. I love stickers. If anybody knows me, it's that I love stickers. And it's a few Remzap Studios stickers. Pretty sweet. I'll be sticking those on a bunch of stuff. And now, for the unveiling. If I can find the front, here we go. I'll let you guys see it first, and I'll turn it around and take a gander myself. Here we go. Oh, I can tell from the back, he is a moldy, moldy boy. Let's see, let's turn him around and see what we got. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, he's moldy, dude. Heck yeah, man. It turned out real good. Oh man, that looks so sick. Get that hair to fluff out a little bit where it's been in the bag, but this has been totally rehaired and repainted like the other ones. Oh man, it turned out really good. Another bang up job, man. It's turned out super sick. And of course the little bits of dried blood up here at the top. That's a really good addition. Cause like towards the end of Kills, where he like kills Allison, he gets a bunch of blood and stuff all over his mask and everything, and that's left over in the ends version, and you can kind of see it up here along the hairline and throughout the mask. It just like, oh man, it looks so cool. It just looks so dirty. I love it. And to all you haters out there, I actually like Halloween ends. I know that's a hill I'm willing to die on, but I actually like it. It's different than what we normally get. So, hate all you want to. I kind of dig it. And especially the look. I love the look of the mask where he's been down in the sewer for 4 years. It's collected a bunch of dirt and mold and dried blood and all that stuff. It looks really cool. So, thanks again, Remy, for doing such a good job as always. I can't wait to add it to the collection. I'm gonna go get a stand for it because I don't have a stand for it. Well, I have, oh, let me go get the mannequin head and stick this thing on. Yeah, I've been letting my son borrow this for a little bit. He's been getting into the mask collecting hobby as well. So he's been borrowing my mannequin head for the time being. Stick this on here until I can get me a paper towel roll holder. And stick it on there and put it back here in the case. And I'm gonna get some close-up shots of this thing too once this video is done, so we can see the details. There it is, Remzap Studios Halloween Kills rehaul. Thank you all for watching and tuning in. I know it's been a while since I said I would do this unboxing, but circumstances out of my hands and totally understandable. But yeah, Remy, if you're watching this, man, I'm praying for you. I hope things start looking up for you here in the future. And thanks again. Thank you so much. You did an awesome job. I can't thank you enough. And I'm also gonna get a shot of all three of these masks together. That way you can see the evolution of his work and how good it's gotten. Oh man, it's gotten so good. That's it for this video. I thank y'all for watching. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.